In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync WhatsApp chats, attachments, and group messages in Pipedrive. Timeline's AI CRM integration. By the end, you'll have WhatsApp conversations flowing into Pipedrive, so your team can see messages, group threads, and shared files right where you manage your deals and contacts. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct Pipedrive workspace and that you have permission to install apps. If the option to install doesn't appear later, that's usually a permissions issue an admin can resolve. Now, look to the top of your Pipedrive screen and click the Marketplace icon. It's the entry point to all vetted apps that extend Pipedrive's capabilities, including WhatsApp integrations. From there, choose Browse Marketplace. This opens the full catalog so you can search and compare options. The Marketplace is also where you can review what data an app needs, what it can do inside your account, and how it's maintained. Useful context before you connect anything to your CRM. In the search bar, type PipeChat. You can also try searching for WhatsApp if you don't see it right away. You're looking for the app that enables syncing of WhatsApp messages, one-to-one and group chats, along with attachments, into Pipedrive using Timeline's AI as the connector. If you see multiple results, open the one named PipeChat and review the overview to confirm it supports chats, group messages, and media file syncing. Click on PipeChat to open its details page. Take a moment to scan the description, supported features, and permissions. This is where you can confirm what data will be accessed and how it appears in Pipedrive, typically as activities, notes, or conversation timelines linked to people and deals. It's a good idea to check for any plan requirements or usage limits, and to note whether international phone formats are recommended for best matching of contacts. When you're ready, click Authorize. This grants the app the permissions it needs to connect with your Pipedrive account. If you manage more than one Pipedrive company, you may be asked to confirm the workspace. After authorization, the connection is established and the sync process begins. Within a short time, you should see WhatsApp messages and attachments populate on relevant contact and deal records, and group conversations will be associated with all recognized participants. If messages aren't appearing where you expect, refresh Pipedrive and verify that phone numbers in your contacts use the full international format. You can always revisit the Marketplace page to review permissions or manage the app later. That's it. Your WhatsApp communication is now integrated into Pipedrive, giving your team a complete, searchable history right alongside your Pipedrive.